If you want to get iPhone ringtone on OPPO Reno 15 Pro, first of all, we can open the Play Store. Now over here we can use this search button and then the search field at the top, and we can simply type iPhone ringtone. This allows you to search for apps that in theory should allow you to get the iPhone ringtone. In my case, I'm gonna use this app over here. I'm gonna install it and I'm gonna show you how to use this specific app to get the iPhone ringtone. However, feel free to try any other app that you can find on this list. You don't have to specifically get this one, but I'm just gonna use this one as an example in here. So, once we get the app, once it is installed, we're gonna open it. Of course, we might see an ad in the meantime, that is quite normal, but we should be able to skip the ad shortly after that, or pretty much immediately. And there we go. We need to grant all the necessary permissions for the app so that the app can actually download the ringtone for us and set it up as the ringtone. Now over here we can press play in order to take a listen to try to find the ringtone that we want to use, and once you find it, you can tap on these three dots on the right side, and then we can use this ringtone option here on the left side. Let's close the ad again, and there we go, we have set the ringtone successfully. But just to, of course, make sure that it is indeed set up, we're just gonna go to settings, let's go to sound and vibration, and then in here we can try to adjust the ringtone volume. And yes, I can hear that indeed the iPhone ringtone has been set up. We can also go to the ringtone option in here in case it is not set up. You can go to on this device and you should be able to find the MP3 file of the iPhone ringtone that should be downloaded from the app that we just used. That is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.